Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. We've got a really good song for you today. This one is by Gordon Lightfoot, and it's called If You Could Read My Mind. And we got Michael Lyons on the guitar here. Take it away, Niji.
If you could read my mind, what a tale my thoughts would tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In a castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the ghost would be me. And I would never be set free as long as I'm a ghost you can see. And if I could read your mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind that the drugstore sells. When you reach the part where the heartache comes, the hero would be me. And heroes often fail. And you won't read that book again because the ending's just too hard to take. I walk away like a movie star who gets burned in a three-way script. Enter number 2, a movie queen to play the scene of bringing all the good things out in me. But for now, love, let's be real. Never thought that I could act this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts could tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the story always ends. And if you read between the lines, you'll know that I'm just trying to understand the feelings that you left. I never thought that I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back.
Oh, that was great, Michael. Hey, thanks a lot. Gordon Lightfoot. And If I Could Read Your Mind. Oh, man, that's a great old song. Gordon Lightfoot. Is that guy a Shinab? You know, I don't even know. Lightfoot. Sounds like he might be Anishinaabe. He sounds Dakota, actually. Lightfoot. Gordon Lightfoot. And, yeah, I never really thought about it. And really, who cares? What then? We count him as, one of our own. Everyone's always trying to find some Indian blood. Oh, Johnny Depp, he's one of us. Oh, Elizabeth Warren. Anyway, hope you like the song. And I will see you again. Giga wabamin. Mirawa. Hoa.